Our question today is again related to health and food, the connection. There is a belief that if you eat tomatoes, they affect the kidney and a person can get kidney stone. Is it true?
That's what the nephrology, these urologists, they say that when people are affected with kidney stone, they ask you to avoid eating tomatoes because of the seeds in the tomatoes are causing kidney stone. I will not go by that theory at all. There is no substantial evidence, according to the modern science language, that these seeds the cause for kidney disease. I will not, because tomatoes are very important of their vitamin E and all that stuff, and by and large, if you take the South Indian system of cooking, we use huge amount of tomatoes. Right? We in South Indian, in Tamil Nadu cooking, if you see, we use quite a huge amount of tomatoes.
Right.
Yeah. So tomatoes are very important. They have a lot of nutrient values, and they also add the right kind of sour taste to your food. The one which is the cause of concern is the tamarind. Yeah, tamarind. Tamarind makes your blood thick, and they have all the metal components found in the plant kingdom are called the binding material. They are not the direct metals. Okay, so tamarind has got traces of lead in that, and it's not good for us, and it plays a lot of role with the viscosity of your blood. It makes the blood thicker, and tamarind also will bring down your color, your pigmentation. Person who's moderate in color, if he stops tamarind, you can see his color will be improved very nicely over a span of 6 months, if he's going to completely stay away from tamarind. So there are many faction of people who don't use tamarind at all. They use a lot of tomatoes because you need that sour taste, in your gravies and all that. So they use a lot of. If you carefully look at it, in our system of cooking, we use a lot of tomatoes and onion.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Without these two, no gravies or no sabjis are made in our system. So the consumption of tomatoes in southern India is very high. Rather, even across the country, it's very high. If you say that tomatoes are going to, really the cause of concern for the kidney stone, every 5 out of 10 in Indian food system should have kidney stone. Right? So when any food material reaches the stomach, when it is mixed with saliva, so there are a lot of conversion takes place. After reaching the stomach, the microorganisms plays a lot of role. There are many conversions are taking place from the gut flora side of it. Then the 4 different types of acids from the liver, according to the load of the food come in, the type of the food come in, will be carefully calculated and sent, which will smash down everything. Then it is more so fat, carbohydrate and protein which is be sensed by the body with other nutrients which are also very important, because anything, a monomolecules, that is monomers, single molecule only will be absorbed by the intestine to your bloodstream.
Right.
Even a di molecule will not be absorbed, which will be sent away. All these things they get, by the time reaches the colon, gets fermented there because of the microbes out there, and then lot of nutrient after fermentation is created, and then that is also absorbed by the body, because colon plays a lot of important role with the microbial load of the colon.
Right. Yeah.
So you can understand the fate of those seeds in the tomato, what happens in this entire system.
Yeah.
So, trying to pinpoint that tomatoes eating because of the seeds inside is going to really cause the problem of kidney stone. I don't think so. I will agree, and there are no much research works have been made on that. If tomato seeds are going to make kidney stone possible, then every other vegetables and other things are also having innumerable number of seeds which we are consuming it.
Right.
So I am not agreeable with that that those who are affected with kidney stone should, if you go and see the nephrology, how exactly these kidney stones are happening, it's because of the variation in our filter getting, there are certain components getting crystallized inside. I don't think so you will blame tomato for it. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.